Hey, what's up YouTube? DM9 Unboxing. Can you hold it? Yeah, can you hold it?
Yeah, DM9 Unboxing. What's up YouTube?
As you can see here, we have thanks for your support, signed by Damien and Mike.
Oh,
From
he
Tech
signed it
TV.
for him?
Yeah, and they autographed it.
Sick.
Picture here of Mike, autographed as well. Taken apart and this bad boy together.
What?
The barrel together. If I can figure it out. Oh, it's two barrels. Never mind. I think
Oh,
it's
he's supposed to get 2 barrels?
No. It's only
No. That's another
That's
amateur mistake, a rookie mistake.
Yeah.
What?
Alright, check this bad boy.
I guess yeah. Let me see the tube. Let me see this
Got
thing.
the feed neck. The bolt. Trigger.
You need to start doing this.
Yeah, I can't walk it this yet.
Alright. Alright, YouTube.
That's official unboxing. How much does it screw in? Much more than the old one.
Hold on. Let me see this. Let me see it. Let go. Okay. What's this thing?
Check the some advanced eye in
The
there.
eye. The laser eyes.
And here's a bolt. I don't know what this thing is here. It's got an
It's,
advanced regulator here over
the
here.
regulator.
So we've got an advanced one.
The tube. It needs a tube, but the tube is over here.
Oh, the tube's in there. Yeah, there's a tube.
No, don't hook it up. Don't hook it up.
Got some case here. Oh, it's probably
The condom.
condom. Yeah. Oh, you also got
Let me see this picture.
got a toolkit coming along with it.
What?
Yeah, we met that guy. We met him in Chicago.
That's the guy that's always on there.
We met him in Chicago. This
I like
is
it that you a real picture.
this is the two
O-rings.
additional O-rings and some bolts. Not bolts. Screws. Got a toolkit in here. Some Allen keys, Allen wrench, and just some grease and lube. All right, we're all good. So there you go.